Students and staff at Morse have been working on a new approach to discipline, a positive behavior incentive system that culminated in a choose-your-own-adventure day full of staff-sponsored activities.
We do a lot of work with the kids here who need help with behavior planning and behavior struggles, and usually that's paired with some sort of reward. And then we started thinking, well, what about the kids who are always doing what they should be doing? They're always respectful, always responsible, always safe and in control. And that's when we started to come up with the idea of an incentive.
We have everything from teachers teaching kids how to cook, dancing. We have a dance instructor. We have Mrs. Montgomery, our kindergarten teacher, painting nails right now. Puzzles, Legos, I'm teaching knitting. Just everything that was a choice was something that the kids really, really wanted to do.
Students had to earn their way in. So with that means they couldn't have any office referrals or suspensions. We're trying to recognize those students that are following those expectations and exceeding those every day, and just kind of rewarding them for building the community here that we want to see here at Morse and adding to our herd.
The promise of joining in a special day had a noticeable impact on student behavior.
People have been working really hard to earn the incentive to do their 2 rooms because they really want to do whatever's in those rooms they picked.
Everybody's not being as rude as they were. Like some people, like in our class, used to say like shut up a lot, but now they don't really say that in the class anymore.
We've seen a lot of kids really turn it around because they hear their friends talking about it and they know, like, I'm missing out on something great right now.
We've definitely seen a improvement in student behavior and expectations. We learn from our mistakes. We educate. Discipline isn't just a consequence, it's teaching that behavior that we expect.
The energy in the building has been high today, and it's just so rewarding as a staff member here to see so many kids just really excited to celebrate their success.
The Morse community looks forward to future PBIS days and to taking steps together towards living out their Morse values.